Having study timetable will helps you to know what to do and how much time to spend on it, and this will help you not to waste time and reach your goals. So in this video we will be showing you the right way to make your study timetable. Make sure you watch the video to the end because we'll be sharing tips on how to stick on your planned study timetable. First, make a format of timetable like this one. Then after that let's make our timetable. So at 5 a.m. you have to wake up and prepare yourself to school. Between 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. are school hours, so it means that you are going to school or catch classes. So from 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. you can do anything you like. It's either eating or do your homeworks. After that you deserve a rest, so from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. you are going to get a 2 hours rest time to relax yourself. And after that rest you are going to do anything you want. Maybe you take a bath or shower to be powerful again after the 2 hours sleep. Then from there you are starting your first session of studying at 7 p.m. So you choose a subject that you love, because if you start with something you love, then if you are about to go studying you will not feel bored. Then randomly plot it out, so you have to continue with the study for 2 hours. If you feel like it's too much or too small you can adjust to the way you will feel comfortable at, but remember, take breaks each and every 30 minutes and drink plenty of water because your mind depends on your healthy, so to have a healthy mind you must start by being healthy in the body. So at 9 p.m. you can take another subject, and this time you should pick a subject that it's hard for you, and also randomly plot it out in the timetable format, and it's also for 2 hours, but remember if you want to adjust you are free to do so. And you can add another subject of your choice. Then list things that you want them to be done in a week. Then plot them in the timetable according to how you want them when to be done. It's either preparing for exams or something else you want. Then after the 4 hours of study you can take sleep, and if 4 hours it's not enough for you, you can increase the hours time. And another thing, you have to change the timetable weekly and substitute with another subjects. So after plotting the subjects you want to do in the week you have to be specific. What do I mean by being specific? You have to make goals to each and every subject, like this one. List things you want to do in subject 1 and what you want to finish at the end of the week. For example, I want to finish the topic 1 by the end of this week. After a week you have to check your progress. If the timetable didn't work for you then you have to put more pressure or reduce your sleep time, and if it worked for you so you can continue with it. So
here are the tips on how to stick on your planned study timetable. 1. Use the SMART theory. S for specific, M for measurable, A for acceptable, R for realistic, T for time bound. So try to set goals that are SMART and also try to create realistic study goals. And you have to be specific by making a list of all things you need to do to work towards these goals. 2. Create time to relax and eat. Relaxing and eating is important as much as studying, because when you get time to relax, your mind rests, and when you put relaxing time and eating time on your timetable, the more your timetable becomes realistic, and the more is realistic the more you are going to stick to it, and it will reduce stresses on your mind, and lowering of stress levels is going to help you learn effectively. 3. Make your studying place. Having a place where you are studying at increases your concentration. So try to create a place where you are going to study at. Make sure your place makes you happy and comfortable, because if you study on a place that does not makes you happy, you won't concentrate and you will lose focus, and it will lead you to not sticking on your timetable. And whenever you choose a place to study, choose a place where there is less amount of distractions in order to stay focused. 4. Know your learning style. Know what type of a learner you are and know what works for you. What time do you prefer studying, and by knowing your style of studying will encourages you to stick on your timetable. 5. Sleep. Proper sleep habits leads to succeeding to your study goals. Having enough sleeping improves your attention and it makes learning easier.